Firefighters are trying to figure out what's causing a mysterious odor in Vallejo. It sent several people to the hospital overnight. KPIX 5's Ann Makovic is live at the Emergency Operations Center with an update. Ann?
Well, two pieces of good news this morning, Michelle. First of all, I can't smell anything from where I'm standing near downtown Vallejo, so the smell really seemed to have dissipated overnight. Number two, that shelter-in-place order has been lifted as of 6 this morning, so emergency workers have deemed it safe to be out and about. Their gas monitors have been reading safe levels for the past 12 hours since this smell actually started being reported late yesterday afternoon. But the Coast Guard is still investigating what exactly caused this gas smell. They're trying to figure out if it might have to do with an oil sheen that is stretching from San Pablo Bay to the Carquinez Strait. It is unclear if that may be the source of the smell. And actually, the Vallejo ferry is canceled. The early ferries have been canceled because they don't want to disrupt the water before the Coast Guard is able to get up there and check out a possible oil sheen. But this has sent dozens of people to the emergency room last night complaining that the heavy scent of gasoline or diesel was making them sick.
It was just horrific. The smell was just horrible. So I got my grandchildren and my paraplegic son out the house, called the police, and they told me to evacuate the city or go into shelter. And I was like, okay, if you're telling me this means get away. So I brought them immediately to the hospital, and they're in there now.
A lot of people wearing masks in the emergency room, reporting being sick to their stomach and having trouble breathing. A lot of them also complaining about not receiving enough information in a timely manner. And the problem for emergency workers, they don't have a lot of information. So this is still under investigation. The Coast Guard, as I mentioned, hazmat teams here in Vallejo as well as PG&E. And Rocky will have more information on the cancellation of the Vallejo ferry coming up. Right now, live in Vallejo, Ann Makovic, KPIX 5.